Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a DIY enthusiast or just someone who loves handy tools, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into 10 amazing new releases on Amazon that will elevate your tool collection and make your projects easier and more efficient. So let's get started. Let's talk about the Toolant Impact Driver Bit Set, a 52-piece collection that covers all your screw fastening needs. This set includes a complete range of products: hex, Torx, Phillips, square, slotted, and PZ screwdriver bits, along with nut drivers, a bit holder, and a socket adapter. It's designed to be compatible with all 1/4-inch universal power drills and impact drivers, like DeWalt and Milwaukee, making it incredibly versatile for any project. These impact-resistant bits are crafted from high-quality materials that can handle high torque, significantly reducing the risk of breakage and extending their lifespan beyond standard bits. Plus, they feature a manganese phosphate surface to prevent rust, ensuring they last for a long time. One of the standout features is the magnetic impact Torx bits and nut driver, which helps you easily pick up screws. The magnetic bit holder enhances the magnetism of 1-inch bits too, and it remains strong even after multiple uses. Color-coded bits allow for easy identification, while a transparent storage box provides clear visibility of the contents. With a secure clip closure, it's designed for convenience and organization. This set is perfect for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Let's dive into the Dremel Blueprint Portable Saw Station with the 12-volt compact circular saw and multi-purpose cutting case. This is an incredible tool for anyone who loves DIY projects. It enables effortless cutting, allowing you to make miter, bevel, straight, and rip cuts with ease, much like a traditional circular or miter saw. You can work with common materials such as trim, vinyl flooring, and 1x4-inch boards, all without any hassle. What makes this saw station particularly appealing is its compact design, perfect for homeowners, renters, or DIY enthusiasts with limited space. It easily folds up for storage in tight spots, like closets or garages. You'll also appreciate the all-inclusive support it provides, including cutting guides, material supports, and clamps that streamline your workflow. With the integrated alignment laser, you can visualize your cuts instantly, helping reduce errors and boost efficiency. Plus, the rechargeable 12-volt power supply ensures you have a convenient cordless tool ready for action. The kit comes fully equipped, including a CS 12-volt compact saw, a fast charger, and various essential accessories. This portable saw station is truly a game-changer for your DIY endeavors. Let's talk about the 4-pack pruning shears, a fantastic addition to any gardener's toolkit. These garden scissors are crafted from premium stainless steel, giving them excellent corrosion resistance and impressive hardness. The sharp blades slice through branches and stems effortlessly, making quick work of your pruning tasks in gardens, vegetable patches, orchards, and even indoor plants. One of the standout features of these shears is their comfortable grip. The handles are made from durable plastic with a matte surface, providing a solid grip that won't slip, reducing hand fatigue during long use. They're designed to fit comfortably in your hand, making them ideal for everyone, including women. Safety is a priority with these pruning shears. They come equipped with a reliable lock buckle that ensures the sharp blades stay closed when not in use, minimizing the risk of accidental injuries. Additionally, the upgrade to serrated blades helps prevent tree branches from slipping during cutting, making the trimming process much smoother. Whether you're tending to flowers, bonsai, herbs, or even shrubs and fruits, these shears meet all your pruning needs and help you create a beautiful garden. Enjoy your gardening tasks with this reliable tool. Let's talk about the Walensey upgraded weed puller, the perfect tool for a better gardening experience. Say goodbye to back pain, as this long-handled lawn weeding tool allows you to remove weeds without bending over or getting on your knees. With a height of 38 inches, it's designed for comfortable use, making it easy to uproot weeds. The foot pedal provides the leverage you need to drive the tool into the ground and grab the entire weed roots and all, ensuring it won't grow back. This tool features a pointed 5-claw design that's effective for various soil types. The 5 steel teeth, each 2.75 inches long, easily penetrate hard soils. Simply push the tines into the roots of the weeds, tilt to the side, and pull them out. It works wonders on a variety of weeds like crabgrass, thistle, and plantain. Made from high-quality iron, the pole is strong and durable, designed to withstand your weight when using the foot pedal. It's also zinc-plated for rust resistance, ensuring longevity. This is truly a labor-saving solution that allows you to pull weeds effortlessly, making it a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves gardening. No more back strain or dirty hands. Let's dive into the 18-in-1 foldable wire stripper, a truly versatile tool that every electrician and DIY enthusiast should have. This multifunctional wire stripper combines 18 essential functions, including wire stripping, cutting, and crimping, making it the go-to tool for all your electrical projects. One of its standout features is the accurate stripping technology, which includes multiple standard stripping holes. This guarantees precise, non-destructive stripping for any wire diameter, ensuring you get optimal performance each time you use it. The design is not only practical, but also compact. The foldable feature allows for easy storage and portability, so you can take it wherever you need, whether that's a job site, home, or workshop. Plus, the user-friendly innovative design includes a quick-change locking mechanism, enabling effortless accessory swaps while enhancing safety and preventing any accidental slips during operation. Durability is key, and this tool is crafted from premium chrome vanadium steel, providing exceptional strength and reliability. It's designed to withstand the demands of frequent use without compromising on performance. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and convenient wire stripper for your projects, this is the tool to check out. Let's talk about the 55 pieces impact nut driver set, a comprehensive toolkit that every DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic needs in their arsenal. This set includes 7 metric deep impact sockets, ranging from 8mm to 19mm, along with 4 SAE deep sockets for your impact drill in sizes 5/16, 3/8, 1/2, and 7/16 inch. Alongside this, you'll find a complete array of standard sizes in both metric and SAE nut drivers, ensuring you have the right tool for any job. What sets this nut driver set apart is the inclusion of some special tools. You'll get a wing nut driver, a quick release extension, a universal joint, and a pivoting nut setter, making it a truly versatile addition to your toolkit. The 1/4 inch hex shank is perfect for compatibility with impact drills, allowing for easy installation and release. Crafted from professional-grade CRV steel and S2 alloy steel, these tools are built to last, offering exceptional durability and hardness. Whether you're working on automotive repairs or home projects, this impact nut driver set provides the reliability and versatility you need to get the job done efficiently and effectively. Let's talk about the sod plugger, a fantastic bulb planter that makes planting a breeze. This tool features an upgraded, sharp serrated base, which allows for effortless penetration, even in rocky soil, so you won't have to struggle to dig. It's designed as a 5-in-1 planting tool, meaning it takes the pain out of planting by letting you work from a standing position. This feature is a real game changer for your back and knees, as you won't have to bend over or kneel anymore. Made from high-quality iron with a powder-coated surface, this garden tool is built to last. It also has 2 rows of bolts for enhanced stability while you work, ensuring it holds up even under pressure. The dual pedal design further boosts efficiency. You simply step down to dig, and when you're ready to release the soil, just push the raised pedal, and it comes out effortlessly. This sod plugger is not just about functionality. It's also about ensuring that your gardening experience is as comfortable as possible. Whether you're planting bulbs, seedlings, or maintaining your garden, this tool is an essential companion for any gardener looking for ease and effectiveness. Let's take a look at the Kreg Dust Separator, an essential tool for keeping your workshop clean and your projects on track. This handy device is compatible with most standard 5-gallon buckets, capturing over 99.9% of dust and debris before it even reaches your vacuum. What's really impressive is that it can extend your filter life by up to 10 times, saving you time and money on maintenance. The dust separator features molded filter fins that effectively trap fine dust particles, boosting suction and ensuring efficient performance. Plus, the transparent top allows you to see the swirling dust as it gets collected, giving you a visual cue that it's working hard. Another great feature is the swivel top with a 90-degree elbow, which minimizes tipping and provides greater stability as you move around your workspace. Whether you're a hobbyist working on weekend projects or a professional tackling larger jobs, the Craig Dust Separator enhances your shop's air quality, reduces the frequency of filter changes, and helps maintain a cleaner and safer environment. If you're serious about your work, this tool is a must-have addition to your setup. Let's talk about the drill bit grinding attachment, a powerful tool that turns your angle grinder into a drill bit sharpener. This attachment is compatible with 100 to 150 angle grinders and is designed with user-friendliness in mind. You don't need any special skills to use it. Just fix it onto your grinder, adjust the grinding angle to suit your specific needs, and you're ready to sharpen. It makes the whole process a breeze. One of the standout features of this product is its wide applicability. It can grind various drill types, including high-speed steel, hard alloy, fried dough twist drills, and cobalt drills. Pair it with a giant blade angle grinder for exceptional results across different specifications. Durability is key, and the 2025 new drill bit sharpener is made from high-quality plastic that ensures long-lasting performance. It boasts excellent fatigue resistance and insulation properties, maintaining its shape over time, making it a reliable tool in any workspace. With tailored notches for various sizes, this innovative attachment allows you to polish different angles of your drill bits easily, revitalize your old drill bit grinder, restore sharpness, and significantly boost your work efficiency. If you want to save money and enhance your projects, this tool is definitely worth having. Let's dive into the Klein Tools 32308F Impact Driver Set, an essential tool for anyone who needs to tackle jobs in tight spaces. This 10-in-1 impact stubby screwdriver set is compact yet powerful, allowing you to access even the most confined areas effortlessly. The cushion grip handles provide greater torque and comfort, making your work not only easier, but also more enjoyable. This set includes a multi-purpose flip socket and 7 different screwdriver bits conveniently housed within the handle, including sizes like number 1, number 2, number 3 Phillips, and 3/16" and 1/4" slotted, as well as number 1 and number 2 square. The impact screwdriver features both 1/4" and 5/16" hex flip socket sizes, providing versatility for various applications. One highlight is the powerful rare earth magnet, which securely holds bits and hex head fasteners, ensuring that you won't lose your grip while working. The detachable socket also makes it easy to remove metal shavings from the magnet, keeping your workspace clean. With an impact-rated shaft, bits, and sockets, this set is designed for heavy-duty applications. The shallow socket depth is optimized for hex head fasteners, making this impact driver set a fantastic addition to your toolkit for any job.